Archcraft is a minimal Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. The project provides a graphical user interface using minimal window managers, rather than full-featured desktop environments. Archcraft is installed using the Calamares system installer and includes the Yay package manager to facilitate fetching software from the Arch user repository. Archcraft is for Linux users who want a pre-configured window manager with a unique look out of the box. You get a pretty theme setup, but you can choose from a couple of pre-installed options, 10 free themes as well. You can pick other window managers like Sway, Wayland Desktop Session, and unlock access to extra themes on Ko-fi by supporting the developer. So, some can call it a freemium model, and I do not mind that, considering you are paying the developer to give you a refined, pre-configured experience, saving all the time to set it up yourself.